Hi, it's Larry Gaines from Power Cycle Trading, and it's Thursday afternoon, February the 7th. I wanted to give you a quick update on this Apple trade and the Apple situation here. But before I get started, if you've not received my free ebook on option trading strategies, here are 15 really great option strategies, just go to my website, powercycletrading.com. Put your name and email, and I've also got a really good one on futures if you'd like that too. It's on the same site. So what I'm going to show you is just yesterday I was talking on about a swing trade that I did for Apple and about a gap area that potentially might get filled, and I put out a low risk trade idea, and I just kind of wanted to follow up on that and show you what happened today with regard to that trade. Now here's a daily chart of Apple, and I was talking about in the video yesterday that I did that this gap area right here, if we could get a close back above 465 today, there's a good high probability that we'll start getting some of this gap area filled in here. So, and it goes up to like 480, and then the gap fill from when it broke down was at 504. So there was a low risk trade yesterday that I called out, and I talked about it today again in our trading room, that you could buy the 465 calls, sell the 470 calls against it. So that's a $5 vertical call spread. And yesterday I put it on at 80 cents and 90 cents in that range. Today you could have gotten it as low as 20 cents. And I took that spread off at a high of $300 a contract. So today it had a low of $20 a contract. Yesterday I put it on at $80 and $90 a contract. Today it hit a high of $300, and I sold out part of my position at $300. So it's a low risk defined type trade, and these are great for kind of situations like this. I got some help there was some good talk going around from David Einhorn and some others, but it's a way to play the game and define your risk. Let me show you a couple of the other charts and show you what happened. Now here's another shot of Apple. This is a 30-minute time frame, this chart here, and this is a 5-minute time frame. And we were getting a massive squeeze here, a volatility squeeze, and this is also a notice that something's going to happen. It's either going to break up or down. And we got a boost from some news towards the end of the day, but this thing was just wound up, and just like a spring, it exploded. And you can see it went from here, it was at a low of about at 235, it was down at 455, and then it was up to 470 before the close. So tremendous breakout. Here's a trend line breakout. Here's our automated trend lines that we have drawn in here, and a tremendous push to the upside. And I'll show you real quick the spread, what happened on that. Okay, so here's the spread that I put on, and this expires tomorrow, the 8th of February. So what I did in order to take advantage of that and define my risk, I bought the 465 calls right here, and these made a low of the day. You can see right here the low, it made a low of like 38 cents, and then sold against it to finance the trade, the 470 calls. So that's a vertical call spread, and at one point today those were down about 25-30 cents. So you would be long this call, short that call as a spread, and it blew out. You can see here it went up to over $650 a contract from a low of $38 a contract. So I mean that return alone, I mean if you'd been crazy enough, if you'd bought that, let's just look at that it made a high tick of 673 and a low tick of 38. So that had a return. That's a wow. It's even already, that's a 1,500% return. So that's the crazy thing about these weekly options. I'm not sure if you would have gotten in at 38 cents, but who knows? Somebody may have, and you could have sold them off up here at 673. So that's a 1,500% return in about 20 minutes. So that's the crazy thing about weekly options. So those kind of returns are possible, but this was a spread. And like I said, I put it on at 90. You could have put this spread on today at 30 cents, It went to as high, which would be $30 a contract, went up to $300 where I took some of mine off. So not a bad swing trade for one day or 2 days at the most. And if you'd like to learn more about this type of trading, swing trades or day trades, I'm going to give you a nice link to check out, and come visit us at Options on the Open. Power Cycle Trading, which was home to Options on the Open. So one second here. Now this is a course that I'm just releasing this week. Actually, it's kind of funny that this swing trade came about today. But anyway, it's a swing trading course. It was a boot camp for swing trading. It's a really extensive course on how to swing trade using our trading model. It goes through everything you can possibly imagine on swing trading, and you get a lot of great benefits and additional information and courses within this package. So if you're interested in this, please go to, I'll post it on the email, the link for this, and it's basically powercycletrading.com/record, RECORD, swing, SWING, but it'll be on the email as well. So if you're interested, go to the link and check it out. Good luck trading tomorrow, and I think I'll be looking to trade into that gap tomorrow on Apple.